a small business, this message is for you. Owning a small business can have its highs and its lows. It can feel exhilarating when you make a sale or when you get a great new client, and it can really tear at your self-esteem when you lose a client or don't make a sale. Sometimes we get stuck in our head with that word small. I own a small business. I don't want to put too much out there yet. I'm still small. What do I have to talk about on social media? I own a small business. It's not as big as a Nike or a Victoria's Secrets or a L'Oreal. What can I talk about? I'm just a small business owner. The negative thoughts that we let take over our mind regarding the little baby that we created, which is our small business, can be our worst downfall. Remember that moment when you said, you know what, I'm going to go with this. I'm going to make something and I'm going to sell a service that people are going to love, and I'm going to start it and I'm going to go with it. Remember that joy, that feeling of creating your baby, your business, and hold on to that feeling so that when you do have those negative thoughts, you can kick those out. I'm me. I'm unique. Just like you. You're unique. Whatever products you make, that is intrinsically something you created from nothing. Whatever services you offer, those are services that maybe other people offer, but you do it a little differently. You have your little pizzazz. You do it your way. Your business is intrinsically something special that you created from nothing. Before you, there was no you. 20 years ago, there wasn't social media the way there is now. When my dad came to this country in 1970 from Portugal, without knowing the language and without any idea of how he was going to create his business, because he became self-employed, he became his own mechanic, he had his own auto shop. There was no social media. My dad made his business and got customers through word of mouth and advertising in a local newspaper. But now, 2023, 2024, 2025, we have social media everywhere. There's literally no excuse to say you can't advertise when there's so much free advertising on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. You can pay to have your own website, which is extremely profitable because you can get clients or customers that don't use Facebook or that aren't on YouTube, but they want to check out your website. And that can be global. And it doesn't cost that much either, but it's a well worth investment to growing your business. Why bother? I'm just a small business. Get that out of your mind. Nike was a small business at one point. Doritos was a small business. Victoria's Secret was a small business. Levi's. All these major corporations started small at one point. They didn't just become huge overnight. It takes work. It takes perseverance. It takes a lot of repetition, but it takes doing it first. You have to do it. You have to try. You have to try advertising and networking and showing your authentic self. Show the world the baby that you created. How am I supposed to love your products if you don't love your products? Why should I hire you if you don't really care much for your business? Show me the passion that you have that made you create what you created. And those customers will see it and then they'll come. So work on those big dreams and shoot for the moon, because even if you fall, you land amongst the stars.